Hey friends, are you looking for a very simple rustic way to decorate using some Dollar Tree items? Well, I have some DIYs for you. I have 4 different Dollar Tree DIYs and I do them all with a very rustic theme, and I'm only going to be using the little wooden pieces that Dollar Tree sells. If you love to do Dollar Tree DIYs, you're going to want to make sure that you check out the list I have down below in my description box of several other Dollar Tree DIY videos so that you can get some more inspiration and some more ideas for decorating with Dollar Tree items. If you're new to my channel, welcome, I'm Julie. And if you like to decorate your home on a budget and you like to do DIYs, some crafting, home decor stuff, and organizing, then this is the channel for you. You're gonna wanna make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so that you don't miss any future videos and so that we can stay connected because we like the same things. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and now let's get to crafting. So for these DIYs, you're going to need a bag of the skinnier long wood stems the Dollar Tree sells, as well as a couple bags of the thicker, chunkier looking wood stems the Dollar Tree sells. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be using this sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. It used to have a different quote on the front that I just tore off. And I'm going to take the small, chunkier wood stems, and I am just going to be gluing them on the 4 corners to make legs. This is going to be a really simple but really cute plant stand. You could also put a candle on here as well. And here's what it looks like with a little Dollar Tree pot and a little garden ball. Now for the second one, these are all going to be really quick and simple. I'm just going to take a small glass photo from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to use the thinner, taller wood stems, and I am just going to glue them right onto the glass all the way around. And you do want to work kind of quick with glass because the hot glue does seem to dry pretty fast. And one of the tips actually is that you want to make sure all of the wood is at the same height so that it all stands even with the bottom, because otherwise you'll have some pieces that it'll just not stand straight. You want it to be nice and flat when it's laying on the surface. And this is how it looks when it's all finished, and you could just put any kind of candle in it. Now for this next one, I'm going to be using this Greatest Dad Ever frame as well as a bag of these thick, chunky wood stems. You could also use a plain black Dollar Tree frame, but I really like the red and black check. I feel like it gives it more of that cabin kind of feel. So I'm just going to remove this photo here and do my best to get rid of as much of the glue that is stuck on here as possible. And I am going to do a pattern of, when you look through these bags, the thick ones come thick and a little bit skinnier. And so I'm just kind of alternating thick, skinny, all the way around and just hot gluing it onto the black frame. This is another really simple way to use these wood stems. And then I just added a picture of my dad and his dad, which is my grandpa, into the frame with the clip. It's super simple and I love how it turned out. Now for this one, I just took, again, the fat, chunky looking stems, and I lined them up around a candle, and then I'm going to be gluing them to each other, not to the candle, because when the candle melts and goes down, like I don't want it to be attached to the candle. I want to be able to reuse this. So I'm just going to glue the pieces together, but using the candle as a guide to make sure that it wraps perfectly around the candle that I want to use. And I just repeat this all the way around the candle until I have basically a circle base that my candle can go in and out of. Now I did notice when I picked it up that there was a couple of spots that needed a little bit more glue. So if there's a little bit of a gap, you're going to want to make sure you fill that in with some hot glue just to kind of make it more sturdy. Now, something I didn't think of until I had actually set this all up in a display was that this would be really cute as even like a little wreath if you tied some ribbon on it. Here's how they all look displayed together with the terracotta pots and the greenery. I really think it looks really, really pretty. If you guys want some more DIY ideas, check out these videos here, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.